Hermano, ¿quieres plata, qué? Hermano, ¿quieres plata?
Claro, ¿por qué, hermano?
Facilita un billete y te lo duplico.
Así es fácil.
Te lo duplico, esto es totalmente seguro.
Voy a confiar, hermano. Ojo con mi
Confía,
billetito,
mi hermano.
que es el único que tengo,
Ya.
Vamos a ver qué va a hacer.
Hermano, dos.
Hermano, la buena, mi hermano, 40
Esta
pesos.
buena, hermanito.
Las mejores, mi hermano.
Claro, hermano. ¿Tú quieres plata, hermano?
Claro, mi hermano.
Facilita un billete y te lo duplico.
Enseguida.
Cierra los ojos, mi hermanito.
Anyone who actively earns from Forex, that is, he has to sit on the chart for hours a day in order to make money, and has an income and win rate above 60%, never spends his time on training, editing and support. These people earn their daily living by selling training packages, earning from YouTube views and subscribing, like becoming an IB man. Be sure that their training will lose your capital, because if it was profitable, it would definitely be their main source of income, not other secondary ways. They will also waste your time. But the methods I show you in the videos are completely passive income and a robot will do all the work for you. Also, sometimes I make references to how this robot works.